Have you ever wondered why plants give us delicious fruits? How do plants produce fruits that fulfill so many of our needs? The secret lies in these tiny magical grains, pollen grains. When pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of a flower, the process is called pollination.
As a result of pollination, plants are able to reproduce and produce seeds, which can grow into new plants. In this amazing process, pollinators plays a very important role. Some of the greatest pollinators are bees and butterflies, as they can move from one flower to another in search of nectar. They help carry pollen grains from the anther to the stigma, making pollination possible.
From today's activity, we learned that pollination is a very important process. It occurs on flowers.
In the process of pollination, these pollen grains transfer from anther to stigma by the pollinators. As we can see here, this is male reproductive part called stamen, and this is female reproductive part called pistil.
And a complete flower consists of both stamen and pistil.
Pollination is two types. One is self-pollination and one is cross-pollination.
But today, there is a growing concern due to deforestation, habitat destruction, and environmental changes. The number of pollinators is decreasing. So, I request everyone to protect and conserve our pollinators. Save the pollinators today and secure the greenery of tomorrow. Let us all remember, no pollinators, no pollination. No pollination, fewer fruits and seeds. Together, let's protect nature and ensure a greener, healthier future for generations to come.